Believe it or not, every 39 seconds a cyber attack is happening somewhere globally. Yes, you heard it right. Every 39 seconds. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? The digital world we live in today is teeming with unseen threats, lurking in the shadows of the internet. Cybersecurity, the shield against these threats, is no longer a luxury but a necessity. The number of cyber attacks is skyrocketing, with every sector, every industry, and every individual becoming a potential target. It's like a silent war waged in the virtual world where the enemy is invisible and unpredictable. The most cautious among us, the ones who think they're safe, often fall prey to these attacks. Even the seemingly secure domains like the Python package index repository aren't immune. Remember the recent Lazarus attack? A state-backed hacking group cleverly exploited typos to sneak malware into developer systems. A stark reminder of the cunning and sophistication of such threats. In a world where cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and frequent, no one is entirely safe. One such example of this growing menace is the recent Lazarus attack. A chilling reminder of the ever-present threats lurking in the digital world, the Lazarus attack was orchestrated by none other than the North Korean state-backed hacking group, Lazarus. Let's delve into the details. The group uploaded 4 packages to the Python package index, or PyPI repository. These were no ordinary packages, though. They were laden with malware and cunningly named PyCryptoEnv, PyCryptoConf, QuasarLib, and SwapMempool. The objective, simple yet sinister, to infect developer systems, and infect they did. These packages were collectively downloaded over 3,000 times. Just take a moment to let that sink in. Over 3,000 systems potentially compromised by this single insidious attack. But how did the attackers manage to infiltrate so many systems? Their method was as clever as it was devious. They capitalized on a simple human error, typos. That's right, typos. They targeted users who made typos while installing Python packages. A single mistyped character could open the door to this malicious software. The malware was craftily concealed within a test script named test.py. This script contained an XOR-encoded DLL file, which led to the creation of malicious files and connections with a command and control server. This attack, however, was not an isolated incident. Instead, it forms part of a larger, more sinister campaign. This campaign leverages crypto-themed NPM modules to deliver malware, demonstrating a calculated and strategic approach to cybercrime. This attack is part of a larger campaign leveraging crypto-themed NPM modules to deliver malware, emphasizing the importance of cautious software installation practices. Let this be a reminder to us all, in the digital world, vigilance is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. This incident is a stark reminder of the importance of cybersecurity. In an interconnected world, we must be vigilant, from the casual web surfer to the seasoned developer. Installing software isn't just a routine task, it's a potential gateway for nefarious actors. We all need to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect ourselves. Robust cybersecurity measures are not just beneficial, they're crucial. They're the walls and moats safeguarding our digital castles. They help prevent attacks, identify threats, and quickly respond when necessary. Remember, in the cyber world, it's better to be safe than sorry. The world of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving. As we navigate this intricate landscape, it's crucial to arm ourselves with the latest knowledge and insights. This is where we come in, offering you timely and comprehensive information on the most pressing cybersecurity threats and solutions. Our channel is your go-to resource, a trustworthy partner in your journey towards a safer digital existence. We delve into the complex, the subtle, and the surprising aspects of cybersecurity. So, join us. Be a part of this essential conversation. To stay updated on the latest in cybersecurity, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can make the cyber world a safer place.